what I did was got rid of all the old food, old and most of the bad food. I call it bad because it's some of the things I still can't have that's in here, like that salad dressing. But he's gonna need that for his salad. That's his vitamins. My husband, I'm talking about, and that's just basically water, mustard. That's coconut milk. I kept it in that jar. Ketchup. Look at this. Wait. Anyway, so that's pretty much it for the refrigerated side. Now over here is a whole different story. Now you see this thing blocking. I can't push it open anymore because the couch thing. I can't open it. But as you can see back there, I have my frozen bananas for my smoothies. This level right here is just like, oh, that big old bag back there, that's the top tier to our wedding cake. So we're gonna be busting that open in December. And yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like.
And this the bag right here. Look at me putting y'all in my business. I put y'all in my business too much. Don't get used to it. It's just a one-time thing. Okay?
Alright, you guys, I'm back from the store. I'm tired, that's why I'm sitting down. This is what it looks like before I take it out the bags. Okay, you guys, so I finally got them out. So on this side of the counter, I decided to get some spinach. First of all, disclaimer, I know you guys are gonna be like, where's all the vegetables? Well, I need to go get vegetables at least twice a week. They don't last long in the fridge, and so I get them in small amounts. So I bought some baby kale spinach mix. I have cucumbers, of course, my fresh thyme. I'm never leaving the store without that. I have some scallions, some organic carrots, because, you know, I'm going to use it for my smoothies in the morning. I have ginger, celery, cilantro, peppers. I'm going to be jerking some wings, semi-homemade. So I got this in liquid smoke because I do not have an outside grill, so I got some liquid smoke. I have my mint tea that I drink throughout the day, organic maple syrup, almond butter. That's also going to go with my celery that I have over here. The celery is for everything: snack, juice, and smoothies and meals. The coconut water is for smoothies. The almond milk is for a video I have coming up, which is going to be pretty fun. I can't wait to show y'all. Vinegar, of course, to wash the meat. I got some sambal from the Hong Kong supermarket. I have my coconut milk, chicken broth, Ziploc bags because now I have to separate what I'm about to show y'all. I have tons of Anaheim peppers here because I'm not giving my husband sandwiches for work anymore. I'm gonna make him healthy meals. So I'm gonna stuff those and send them off. Yeah, and I got fruit. Now this is like heaven. I love my fruit. This is gonna be for eating as well as my smoothies. I know fruit has sugar, but listen, I'm doing what works for me. I love fruit. I can't have the actual sugar candy cookies. So yeah. So I have blackberries, blueberries, smoothies, of course. Celery with the apple and the kiwi. That's gonna be like a green smoothie with the spinach. I have mango, lemon in every single smoothie for better absorption, like I said in my other video from my doctor. This is a papaya, oranges, strawberries. So, you know, I got some good ones. You know, I got the berries. All right, now we're finally to the meat and poultry section. Over here, I have two big salmon fillets that I got from the Hong Kong supermarket. I'm going to separate those out. That's why I have the Ziploc bag. I have to slice those up. I have my eggs, of course, cage-free. I have chicken wings. Y'all know I have my chicken tenders, boneless, skinless. And I have ground turkey, which is going to go with those peppers I had over there. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And what I didn't buy was quinoa because I already have quinoa in the house. And that's what's going to go inside of the peppers with the ground turkey. All right, you guys. So, this is my salmon cleaned up and sliced up. So I separate them in servings of 2 in each bag so that I'll just melt one bag and, you know, we both get a steak. So yeah, and that's it. This fish alone was like $30. So, oh, my total bill was $100. About 101 or 102, but basically $100 for every single thing that I bought.
Alright, final prep. This is my celery. This is how I clean it up. I take it out the bag, chop the end off, wash them up really, really well. What I'm going to do is dry it, but even when I dry it, I'm going to use the same damp paper towel to wrap like 3 pieces at a time. And then I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags right here, and it'll preserve it for like a week. And I'm using these for like my snack to go with my almond butter. I think that's what I had for my celery this week. And as well as some of them are also going to go into my morning smoothies. I'm sorry for stretching out this video, y'all, but I'm about to go now. I'll catch y'all on my next one. Bye.
Alright, and this is how it looks. Just like this.